yung mga messages na magre-resonate for you. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang sa Facebook. Let's start your reading. Again, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. You do have here the Hierophant, Ten of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Strength card, Ten of Wands. For some of you, pwedeng ikaw ay currently nasa isang relationship na maybe there's marriage nga na involved pa nga dito eh. Maybe you are married to this person. Nakikita natin there's a lot of money, no? Napakaganda ng connection ng relasyon, lalong mas tumitibay, lalong mas nagiging like naipapakita yung mga bagay na hindi na ipakita in the past. So, maybe may sweetness na naibalik, na maaaring noon na wala na ito. And then, I feel like there's a lot of love here coming from the both of you. And tapos may pera pa, no? Kaya lang, may feeling dito na isa sa inyo ay nakakaramdam ng parang sobrang bigat ngayon na parang pwedeng hindi niya na i-open sa bawat isa. So, that could be you or your person. Hindi ko masabi. Pero nakikita natin yung kabigatan kasi might be maraming responsibilidad, meron yung parang feeling na pagod, ganyan. And then, this person wants to rest, or pwedeng nakakaramdam din siya ng pagod or bigat ngayon because of some kind of ending na nangyayari sa kanya. So, hindi ko masabi kung ikaw yon or yung person na kakonect mo. But overall, napakagandang ipinapakita dito pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon sa iyo at sa person na ito because there's a lot of love, a lot of money. Na, yun ang importante dun. Nakikita natin na yun nga lang pagod. Which is normal naman yun pag talagang may pera, talagang kailangan pagpaguran yon. So, pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, who is this person that you're dealing with? For Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sino tong person na kakonect mo? For Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, please, Spirit guides, angel guides, person na kakonect ni Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, please, Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay. The person that you're dealing with, we do have here the Three of Wands. Tell me more about this. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. Oh, why? Five of Wands. Queen of Swords. Five of Swords. This person is, I don't know kung nahihiya siya sa'yo or nahihiya siya sa family mo. Like, may nararamdaman tayong hiya dito sa person na ito. And this person, maraming pagbabago ang nakikita nating nangyayari sa kanya. I feel like this person is nagpo-focus sa mga new beginnings. The Three of Wands is here, so I can see this person na parang I don't know, I feel like ang tingin niya sa'yo ngayon medyo mas mataas ka sa kanya ngayon. Mas marunong, mas magaling, etc. And so parang medyo pumapangit yung tingin niya sa sarili niya because of that. With the Queen of Swords, I feel like Pwedeng pinipigilan niya yung sarili niyang maging ano ang tawag dito, pwedeng maapektuhan, parang ganun, sa mga pangyayaring nangyayari sa'yo. I feel like this person is broken, hearted, kasi parang may mga nawala. Tell me more. Nine of Pentacles. So, nakakakita naman tayo dito ng like some kind of celebration. Parang pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya na magalit ka or magdulot na para lumayo ka sa kanya. Parang ganun. Or umiwas. So, pinipigilan niya yun. Na gumawa ng action na maging dahilan para umiwas ka or lumayo ka. Or magalit ka. Alin man doon. So, ano yung near future between the two of you? You do have here the High Priestess. Alam mo, napaka-spiritual mong tao. The Hierophant and the High Priestess, you are very spiritual person. And nakikita natin na yung knowledge mo pagdating sa usaping spiritual, medyo malaki talaga ang alam mo dyan. Ten of Swords. Four of Wands. What's with the Four of Wands and Ten of Swords? Queen of Coins. Clarify the Ten of Swords, please. Seven of Coins. Then you do have here the Star at the bottom of the deck. How about your person? Page of Wands is here, the Emperor. Nine of Swords. The Hierophant. Ace of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. So, in the future, nakikita natin na some kind of ending ang possible na mangyari, which is maybe this is something na walang kagalaw-galaw, like a very stagnant energy here. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa career or connection. Pero yung iba sa inyo, if this is a career na mag-end, it is because may mas better na naghihintay sa'yo with the Queen of Coins. Like, mas maabot mo yung pangarap mo and mas makapag-focus ka sa bagay nito with the Knight of Wands. Dahil mas nakikitaan mo ng potential itong something na might be bago para sa'yo. And pagdating sa love, I can see you being happy and proud at the same time. Maybe proud sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga na-achieve mo na. Sa person na ito, I can see a person who is very manipulative. I can see communication sa inyong dalawa regarding sa mga nagiging problema niya with the Nine of Swords. And with the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like may mga bago siyang aaralin or lessons na matutunan. Maybe spiritually or what. Pero I feel like itong person na to, hindi ko nakikitang aalis siya in the future kung nasaan siya because hindi pa siya tapos sa kung ano yung kailangan niyang gawin doon. Three of Pentacles is here at the bottom of the deck. So, yeah, a lot of growth ang kailangan mangyari dito sa person na ito. Doon sa bagay na yon. We do have the Justice card, Libra energy. I feel like this person will tell you the truth in the near future. Sasabihin niya yung totoo sa'yo. May mga matututunan kang katotohanan or may malalaman kang mga katotohanan mula dito sa kanya mismo manggagaling. And tell me about this. King of Cups. I feel like it has something to do sa kanyang emotions. And this person wants partnership, love, relationship with you. And I feel like kung ano man yung mga nagiging boundaries or kaguluhan sa connection na ito, this person will not let go kahit pa gaano kahirap or gaano nagkakaroon ng problema. Like kahit gaano man na nagkakaroon ng problema or boundary sa inyo, hindi siya magle-let go. Hindi siya magle-let go. This person will try to hang on or hold on tight sa connection na ito because there's a lot of love here. And may mga nagiging dahilan para hindi niya magawa yung mga gusto niyang gawin sa'yo ngayon. There's a lot of actions na gusto niyang gawin. Ano yung mga action na yun na gusto niyang gawin towards you? Four of Pentacles. I feel like gusto niyang lumaban or ilaban. Or, you know, when it comes to pagdating sa finances, parang gusto niyang mapantayan or gusto niya at least man lang makatulong or makasuporta din sa'yo. Parang ganun. Knight of Cups. There's a lot of love coming from this person. Mararamdaman mo yun sa kanya. Mararamdaman. Because you are a very spiritual person. So, mararamdaman mo kung ano yung totoong emotion niya for you. So, anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.